All right, so I've been a major hypocrite on this channel. Like I've been telling you guys over and over, stay consistent, stay motivated, have the right mindset. Yet on this channel, I have not done the same. And although this is not my main channel, that's not an excuse. I started this journey to help other people finish their journey, and we need to do that here on this channel. So it's the beginning of the year. Most of you guys got your New Year's motivation, but we're going to capitalize on that because to be honest, because to be totally honest, motivation is temporary. So you have to like refresh it throughout the year, which is why I haven't stayed consistent here on this channel, and I'm going to change that. Literally, we're going to dedicate ourselves to getting this channel monetized as well as your channel. So I'm going to share my journey to getting 1,000 subscribers as well as the 4,000 watch time hours. That's going to be the hard part. I won't lie. I'm closer to the 1,000 subscribers than starting from scratch, but that doesn't make it any easier because I haven't uploaded to this channel. So I'm really starting from scratch. Most of the subs to the channel probably think it's not active and have given up on me. So I'm going to have to rebuild that trust and rebuild from the bottom up. And I'm going to do it with you guys. I'm all about transparency. And the great part about doing this and showing you guys and while talking about it is I can show you in real time. I'm going to be an open book. I'm going to show all of the analytics, all of the numbers. We're going to do this together. And I want you guys to create a community around this. I want you guys to hold me accountable as well. Tweet me, DM me, hit me up on Instagram. I don't care if I don't stay motivated. If I'm not making videos, I need you guys to hit me up and hold me accountable, just like I'm going to do the same by creating content that's going to hold you accountable and help to keep you motivated as well as motivating myself. Because it's not easy. Now, let's flip to the plus side. YouTube is wonderful. It's a great place to start your journey and to build something upon. I'm going to hit 100K on my main channel this year in 2023 without a doubt. And I want to do bigger and other things, but let's not focus on that channel. I really want to keep this channel about what this channel is, what this channel is all about, and sharing the behind the scenes and the full journey. So this is day one of my journey to getting this channel monetized and building it into a profitable brand here at Creator Hustle. What does Creator Hustle stand for? It's literally either you are creating content at the time or you're hustling and doing your research and building up the tools necessary for you to create better content. That's why it's either you're creating or hustling. That's the two things that we're doing all 2023 and beyond. So I'm literally giving you guys my commitment to this channel. I've created a set that's super easy for me to use this station. I literally spent the last 2 days before this first, like flipping my studio around and making it functional over visual. Like I'm over the whole visual stuff and I'm all about taking action and getting things done. The only thing is I have to do that, take action and get things done. So we're going to build our mindsets, build our motivation, maintain our motivation, build our consistency, build our channels, build our profitability, build our AdSense, sponsorships, and affiliate income, and so on. So it's a great time to get in the content creation world, especially on YouTube. Now YouTube shorts are going to be monetized. So I'm going to be creating YouTube shorts here and sharing my journey on there, sharing the analytics and the breakdown and building up the view count and the volume on YouTube shorts to get those monetized, as well as building up the volume and views and watch time hours necessary to get this channel monetized. So that's the journey. That's my commitment to 2023. Come along, join Creator Hustle. Remember, it's only two things you could be doing, either creating or hustling. You could take your leisure time for your mental breaks without a doubt. We're going to talk about that too. Peace.